November Rain by Guns N' Roses in the original key of B major, which has 5 sharps: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. That may sound tricky, but don't worry. All notes except for B and E are black keys, making it easy to navigate. I'll guide you step by step, and you can follow along with the highlighted notes on the virtual piano. Let's get started. At first, this may seem complex, but the right hand is mostly moving up and down the B major scale with different timing patterns. For reference, here's middle C. We'll start with E octaves on the left hand. The right hand plays D sharp and E quickly. Here's how that sounds. Understanding the rhythm. This song is in 4/4 time, meaning 4 beats per measure. Each beat is a quarter note. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll also be using 8th notes and 16th notes. 8th notes are played twice as fast as quarter notes, so we count these with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 16th notes are even faster, being twice as quick as 8th notes. We count these with 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a. This will help us stay in time when we put everything together. The intro is made out of 3 sections. The first section follows this chord pattern: E major, G sharp minor over D sharp, C sharp minor, and B major. On our left hand, we'll play octaves on the first and third beat. So we have E octaves, D sharp octaves, C sharp octaves, and B octaves. On our right hand, we'll start by playing E and G sharp together for 1/4 beat. Then we play E, F sharp, and G sharp for 8 beats each. Then we play A sharp for a 1/4 beat. And then we play B for the last 8th beat. With counting, we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. With hands together, we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. For G sharp minor over D sharp, on the right hand, we play D sharp and G sharp together for 1/4 beat, followed by D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp with 16-beat timing. Then we have B, A sharp, G sharp, and F sharp with 8-beat timing. 1 and 2 E and a, 3 and 4 and. With hands together, we have this: 1 and 2 E and a, 3 and 4 and. So we have E major and G sharp minor over D sharp. The timing for C sharp minor is the same as E major. We play E and G sharp together, then we have E, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, and E. With hands together, we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. For B major, on the right, we have B and D sharp played together for 1/4 beat. Then we play D sharp, E, F sharp, E, D sharp, and E for 8 beats each. So again, we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. With hands together, we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Putting all the chords for the first section together, we have this. For the second section, our chord progression is E major, C sharp minor, B major, and B major. On our left hand, we'll play our root notes on the first and third beat, like before. E octaves, C sharp octaves, B octaves, and B octaves. On the right hand, we'll play on each quarter beat. E and G sharp played together twice, E and A sharp played together, and E and B played together. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. For C sharp minor, we'll play C sharp on our left hand on the first quarter beat. Then on our right hand, we'll play C sharp, D sharp, E, and F sharp, all played with 16th beat timing. Then we have G sharp, F sharp, E, and D sharp, played with 8 beat timing. So we have 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4 and. With hands together, we have 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4 and. Let's play that again. For B major, on our right hand we'll play on each quarter beat. B and D sharp play together twice, then B and E together, and C. Then we have B and D sharp played together twice, C sharp, and B and D sharp played together. This isn't exactly what's in the recording, but this makes the playing simpler. Putting all the chords for the second section together, we have this. For the third section, our chord progression is the same as our first chord progression, except we'll add a final B major at the end. Our left hand will play E octaves, D sharp octaves, C sharp octaves, and B octave. Like before, we're playing on the first and third beat. For E major, on the right hand, we'll play E and G sharp together for the first quarter beat. Then we have E, F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp played on the 16th beat timing. Then we have B, A sharp, G sharp, and A sharp played on the 8th beat timing. 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4 and. For G sharp minor over D sharp, we have B played for a quarter beat, and A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp, and C sharp played in 8th beat timing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. With hands together, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. For C sharp minor, the timing is the same as what we've done previously. We have G sharp played for a quarter beat, then E, F sharp, and G sharp played in 8th beat timing. Then we have F sharp for a quarter beat and E for the 8th beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then for B major, we'll play what we had played before for B major. Putting all the chords for the third section together, we have this. Alright, now let's put everything together and play the full intro.